Hey guys, back with some more Panini Prizm draft picks 2019, except this time we've got a blaster box. 4 cards per pack, 7 packs per box. Look for the ultra rare color blast inserts. Okay, I will. Let's get this open. Let's get ripping. Better than scissors. The reviews on these aren't that good, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what we got inside here. Let's open it up. And I see some packs. There we go. There we go. Get the box here. Alright, so here's our packs. Let's get started. Don't tell me it's scissor time. Okay, good. What we got? Jarrell Brantley. All-Americans. Rui Hachimura. Jalen Noel. Fiondu Kabengele. And Jarrell Brantley, our favorite guy. Look at him. He's just so intense. He's like, I'm going to get the ball in the basket. Yeah. Hey, one of those is a refractor. Nice prism. Ooh. Next pack. Keldon Johnson, Bruno Fernando, and blue Kevin Porter Jr. Dylan Windler. All-Americans again, Ryu Hachimura, Jalen Noel, Terrence Mann, blue. Jalen Hands. Keldon Johnson. Bruno Fernando. Crusades, DeAndre Hunter. And All-Americans, Grant Williams. Jalen McDaniels. RJ Barrett Crusade. All-Americans RJ Barrett. RJ Barrett. Not all J Barrett. RJ Barrett. Daniel Gafford. 2 packs left. Duan Hernandez. Cameron Johnson. And Prizm KZ Okpala. And Ty Jerome. Our final pack. Darius Garland. Nikhil Alexander Walker. Purple Kobe White Crusade. Nice card. And Jarrett Culver. This concludes the Blaster box break. Thank you.